Hi, I'm Kiera. I read the article by Dixon et al. 2021. So I wrote down some of my key points. The article discussed concepts of derived relational responding. It described how children with autism can learn to make relational connections through learning and reinforcement. It primarily focused on peak. The research in the study aims to demonstrate the relational responding is learned and can both be reinforced and generalized. It also showed that children with ASD or other cognitive delays can also learn and generalize this skill. The study used a controlled experimental design and it tested for that generalization of untrained skills. Um, so with the lesson that we learned on like A equals A equals B equals C, so that means A equals C. We discussed that and teaching kids that in order to have different communication skills and cognitive skills in learning. And there were two parts to the experiment. There was a lot to that article, so I think that's a pretty good brief summary of what it was. Something I found really surprising was that Peak was the first instructional protocol focused on derived relational responding, and that there's still very limited research on using ABA or Peak in curriculum. I also found it surprising, like this article came out in 2021, and there were still a lot of people that didn't think children with autism could learn this skill. I can use this to inform my future work with how to test generalization because we often build it in to treatment plans, but we don't always test for it. And I think it's good to know how to do that. I think it reinforced a lot of what I think and beliefs around like teaching skills to learning generalization. So that's the article I read.